Everyone's using the same AI tools. But what if the most powerful ones aren't the ones you've been seeing? China just dropped a new wave of AI image and video generators, and they're not just competing. They're quietly outperforming what most people are using right now. We're talking ultra-realistic visuals, faster rendering, fewer restrictions, and tools that can generate full cinematic scenes in seconds. Not prompts, scenes. And here's the part nobody's really talking about. While everyone's focused on the same few Western tools, a whole ecosystem is rising in the background. Cheaper, less censored, and in some cases more powerful. So the real question is, are these tools the future of AI content creation, or the biggest disruption we've seen yet? In this video, I'll break down exactly what these new Chinese AI tools can do, how they compare to what you're using right now, and whether you should actually switch. Because if you're a creator and you ignore this, you might be left behind faster than you think. Let's get into it. This is the first tool I'm going to be talking about, so make sure you stick around, because I'm going to show you how to use this particular tool to generate images completely for free. If you're a creator and you've been looking for a solid free image generator, then this might be exactly what you need. Now, this tool comes packed with a lot of features. You've got text to image, text to video, image to image, and more. But for this video, I'll be focusing specifically on the image and video generation. If you look closely, you'll notice that the tool gives you a total of 50 free credits. Now, is that enough? Honestly, not really. But don't worry. I'm going to show you how to generate images without spending a single credit. Let's start with the text to image feature. Right here, you can see the prompt box. I'll go ahead and input a simple prompt. A man playing a guitar on a stage. Just below that, this is where you select the model you want to use. As you can see, the default model is set to free. Here you can choose your aspect ratio. I'll go with 16:9. And over here you can select the number of images, but as a free user, you can only generate one image at a time. Now take a look. It costs 0 credits to generate. So I'll click generate, and just like that, the image is ready. Honestly, the quality looks super realistic and impressive. And as you can see, my 50 credits are still untouched. Now, when it comes to video generation, this tool doesn't offer that for free. You can see here, it costs 24 credits per generation, and all the video models are premium. So as a free user, you won't be able to use that. But the good thing is, you can generate multiple images for free. Now let's try the image to image feature. All you have to do is upload an image, enter your prompt, adjust your settings like before, and then click generate. And here's the result. One thing I really like about this tool is how well it pays attention to detail. For example, the original image had a blurred background, and the tool maintained that same effect, even with the new elements added. That's a really nice touch. And that's it for the first tool. Now, let's move on to the second tool I'll be talking about. Don't worry too much about the names. I'll drop links to all the tools in the description so you can easily access them. First, let's try image generation again. Click on this drop-down menu and select AI image. I'll use the same prompt as before. A man playing a guitar on a stage. This is the model we'll be using, and again, I'll set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Then I'll click generate. Now check this out. It generates 4 images at once, and they all look really clean, realistic, and high quality. Next, let's try turning an image into a video. Select one of the generated images, then click on Generate Video. A prompt box will appear, and I'll enter. He should be performing a song while playing the guitar, and the crowd should be cheering. The default model is already selected. You can also add a last frame if you want more control over the output. The resolution is set to 720p, which is solid for video generation. And the best part? This costs 0 credits. So I'll click Generate, and it's done. Honestly, I'm really impressed with how realistic this looks. Now let's move on to the last tool for today. To access it, head over to Hugging Face AI and click on Spaces. Quick tip, if you want to find the best tools on Hugging Face, you can filter by categories like image generation or video generation. You can also sort by trending, most likes, or relevance to find high-quality tools faster. For this example, I'll be using this particular Chinese tool right here. I'll upload my reference image, leave the default prompt as it is, and set the duration to 5 seconds. There's also an option to add a negative prompt, but I'll skip that for now. Now I'll click Generate, and here's the result. As you can see, the motion is smooth. No blur, no glitches. It actually does a really good job. And that's it for today's video. I definitely recommend you try out the tools I mentioned. They're powerful, easy to use, and best of all, free. Thanks for watching.